Don't pull so hard. I know you want to shift stuff. You gotta wait though. Don't push on this thing. Just let her walk. Walk with her.
This is really a lot of food here.
It's what? It's waffle. It's really waffle. It's really waffle. Molly. That's it.
Are you walking, Molly?
Yeah.
I know it's Molly. You can do it, Poodle. It's okay. Dog walking is really for bigger kids. It's okay. Hey, Poodle. Don't be sad. Look, Molly's not escaping. She just likes to go ahead fast. It's okay.
Sorry, you did such a good job. Poppy and I could barely keep up. You were amazing. Hey, you were amazing.
It's okay, Poodle.
You were. I couldn't believe it.
You ready to hike some more?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Poppy and I can hardly keep up. You want to hold my hand? No? Oh, good. That's one of his nose.
One thing you really want to stay away from in the woods is poison ivy. Look at those shiny 3 leaves. Stay away. Stay away. What'd you find? Ooh, cool.
I think it might be yellow jacket. Oh, let's not mess with that. Definitely. I mean, it's down in a hole, so most people wouldn't step in it unless they fell. You see it, Brad?
Oh yeah, look, it's like a bear's dug it out. They're trying to rebuild it.
Do you think that's what happened?
Yeah, look down in there.
Oh my God, yes.
It's a lot of bees. There's a lot of bees. Oh, don't fall.
And it goes way down into the woods.
Yeah, see a tree.
Oh, Maxwell's staying far enough away so that he doesn't get his feet squashed. Oh, they're sad. He can make it go. Don't do that again there, Brad. I like that little butt action.
I was trying to get bounce funny so the Lord would fall off. But it's got a lot of inertia to it, so I'm not really affecting it that much.
Okay.
What do you guys find there?
I don't know. I think it's fungus, but I'm not sure. It's very hard.
Yeah. Toadstool.
Are they really that hard, Norma?
Yeah. No,
I thought toadstools grew on the ground. Well, they're
some kinds do. Some kinds grow on the sides of trees.
They decompose in the tree waste, probably. Still, the toadstool. Hey, we found this organic toadstool, but it's really hard at growing on the tree. Sonny, would you like to climb up and keep it?
Yeah, it would make a good step, huh?
Yeah. One play out. Good thing the bear dug it out so we can watch him.
Yeah, they're working hard. Someone went after it, that's for sure.
Something wanted some honey. Honey in the ground.
Oh, look at it. It looks like someone dug it up.
I like I dug a hole there.
I'm not interested.
You won't have to act. You'll freak out.
No.
That's alright. Laura, just hang behind Nanny. Nanny will forget about the plot here in a minute.
No. Nanny does not want the bug on her, okay? Not up high. No, seriously. No, I don't want the bug. Thank you. Bobby doesn't want the bug either.
It's not a real bug. It's just an exoskeleton.
The bug shell, Mom. I don't want the bug
Alright, go get
shell
one.
on. Should I try again? Scream again.
Show us your cicada there, Laura. Here, Mom, hold still so we can get it on your shoulder.
Alright.
The exoskeleton of this lovely bug that sings to us every night. Brah, brah,
Pet. It's my pet.
What do you got there, Boodle?
Eagle.
Can we see it? Can you show us? Oh yeah, look at that acorn. That's pretty neat. Awesome. Look at that irritated wife face right there.
I think you can very easily
Move
videotape.
so we can see the sign.
I think you can
And which way are we going?
Unorthodox.
The road less traveled.
You can go underneath it. Look. See, I want to underneath it. See? I made it. Oh, that is to use. Yeah. Come on. Boogie and I'm moving. Man, Boogie and I'm moving. Can you find a part of the stream where we can have swimming?
I bet we can. There's a spider hiding under my shoe.
Are you sure it's a spider?
Yeah, look at him. Don't get him. And here's what's at the end of our very exciting overgrown road. An old water tower. There it is, back that way. So can you just like... Da-na-na-na-na-na.